Happy Thanksgiving! We are at a cabin today. We left the city for a few days out in the woods just to get away. And Zach cooked his first turkey. What do you have to say? Well, that's awkward.
That's good.
Whoa. This turkey did not just appear out of thin air. I had to do some things that felt borderline illegal to get it ready, but after I stuffed it full of butter and herbs, I stuck it in the fridge overnight. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Tell me that doesn't look so good. When I woke up the next morning, I plopped it in the oven because it was time to go. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, my mom got us this really cool Lego set for our birthdays. It's been about 6 months since she gave it to us, and it's 3,091 pieces, so we decided to put it together on this trip. Oh, Howie, what's that? You smell that? It's turkey time. Oh yeah, a little ASMR of that crispy skin. Perfectly done.
Nice.
Okay, it is turkey taste time.
Woohoo.
It took a little over an hour to make, but honestly, I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, it looks really great.
What do you give the just the look of our plate? Scale of 1 to 10. I think
A
we
9.5.
Nice.
The only thing I think it's missing is maybe some vegetable or something.
Yeah, a lot of carbs.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, first bite. 1 second. Actually, let's cheers it. This is our very first turkey ever. Cheers.
Cheers.
No gravy. Wow.
That's good. Wow.
Dude, we did a good job. Look at that.
You killed it. I didn't really do anything. I just watched and supported.
Howie, how about you?
Oh yeah, but check out that plate. Not bad, not bad. We got the turkey, we got some mashed potatoes, we got stuffing, we got mac and cheese. Howie was begging to go run outside again, so we let him do just that because we needed our stomachs to rest before possibly the best time of the night, dessert time. Oh yeah, look at that, baby. Homemade pumpkin pie by yours truly. And then Emily tested her luck and made some sweet potato casserole. I gotta tell you, that was a 10 out of 10 meal. Remember how we gave Howie some turkey earlier? Well, I think all the running and all the turkey finally got to him because this dude's about to fall asleep in 3, 2, 1. And that was Howie for the rest of the time we were at the cabin. But yeah, it was nice. We watched some Christmas movies, played some card games together. Emily did some reading. I worked on editing a video. And then finally, we finished the Lego set. Look at this little GIF I made. How fun. Took us a couple hours to put it all together, but man, that was a lot of fun. And now we actually have it hanging up on our wall at home. Thanks, Mom. Love you. All good things must come to an end, so we packed up all of our things. Last but definitely not least, the Lego set. So fun. But before we leave, we have one last thing we have to do, which you might already see this coming. Our dip picture. Oh yeah, come on. Thanks so much for watching. This has been Thanksgiving 2025. We'll see you next time. Oh yeah, Howie wants to say bye. Bye.